What did you think of the movie?
It was great and kind of cool. It was a Batman and it.
Batman was in it?
Yeah.
Was that your favorite part?
Batman is my favorite.
What about Superman?
Superman is my favorite too.
Oh, what about Batman?
Batman is my favorite too. Batman is my favorite too. And Superman and Batman is my favorite too. And Superman is my Batman is mine and Superman is mine.
Cool. Did you like the movie then?
Yeah.
You got a cool suit. Okay, say bye.